Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look right here, inserts picture. And today I am collaborating with Glam by Isabel. Her makeup channel is so good. I highly suggest you guys go follow her and support her channel because she is such a good makeup artist, and yeah, her videos are just good. So yeah, today I'm recreating a look she did, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna recreate it. It's gonna be a little slightly different, just a little bit, but yeah, I'm recreating it the best that I can. So you guys saw the eye. I did my face makeup off camera, so let's get in with the eye. Hi guys, so first what I'm going to be doing is going in with that shade, and I'm blending it into the crease and using that brush, period. So yeah, pretty much I'm going to be blending a whole bunch of browns into the crease. So that's what you'll see, and you'll see the colors I use because I'll be tapping on them. So guys, now what I'm about to do is cut the crease with that brush and a Maybelline concealer. And yeah, I'm doing a full cut crease today. Okay guys, so I'm going in with something other than the James Charles palette. This is the Your True Selfie Morphe palette. And I'm taking the pink color and I'm going to dab that onto where I cut the crease. So now that I got the pink on the crease, I'm going to take a couple other brown shades and I'm going to blend them to define the crease even more. It's the same ones I used before. So now I'm going in with this pink loose glitter. I don't use eyelash glue, I just put it on. I don't have white eyelash glue. So yeah, I'm just dabbing it on. This is where our looks look different. I didn't have the silver shade she used, but I feel like this still worked out pretty good. So now I'm going in with eyeliner, and I'm just going along the path before I cut the crease, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just putting on winged eyeliner, and then I'll be putting on my lashes after that. Okay guys, so now I'm doing under the waterline, and yeah, it's gonna get messy, so later on you'll see that I take a white powder, translucent powder, dab it under, and then just brush it off. You see me doing that now, period. Okay guys, so now what you see me doing is putting the last finishing touches on. Blush, freckles, highlight, all that jazz. And then of course my smoky lip, so you'll see me doing that right now. Okay guys, this tutorial is almost done, but please, before you guys go, hit the subscribe button, like, comment. I am going to start shouting out comments that I think are really nice, so if you want to get a shout out, comment down below. So yeah, this is the finished look. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and go follow my girl, Glam by Isabel, because this is who the look was inspired by. Okay. Bye, guys.